The year 2025 is a big one for NASA. That's when the space agency plans to send humans to the moon. To achieve this, NASA will need to develop a lot more technology in order to send humans to the moon safely and on time. Currently, there are still many questions about how humans can survive in space for extended periods of time and what technologies would be necessary for this. The good news is that NASA has some ideas about how it can achieve its goal of sending humans to the moon's far side by 2025. Let's take a look at what NASA's plan for 2025 looks like so far, and what we can expect from the space agency in the coming years. Hello explorers, I'm Mr. Thinker, and today I will let you know all about NASA's plan for 2025. So here is the good news. NASA is heading back to the moon to learn more about scientific research, help the economy, and inspire the Artemis generation, a new group of adventurers. They would then construct a global partnership and discover deep space for the advantage of everyone, while keeping the United States in the lead when it comes to exploration. The plan for Artemis 3 is to land a crew at the south pole of the moon. It will take 30 days for Artemis 3 to get to the moon, and it's a part of the moon where people have never been before. 2 astronauts will be on the moon's surface for around 7 days. The mission's goal is to send a woman and a person of color to the moon for the first time. A total of 4 astronauts could leave Earth on the Orion MPC-V, but only 2 people will go to the surface with the human landing system. They will stay there for 6.5 days. The astronauts who are still on board Orion would then remain there. The 2 astronauts will then do a total of 4 spacewalks on the lunar surface to gather scientific data and take water ice samples. Before Artemis 3 lands, some extra equipment, like an unpressurized rover for astronauts to employ on their moon trips, will be placed on the surface. The rover will be able to be driven from a distance. Several areas that were always in the shade could be achieved by short trips of 5 to 15 kilometers, which was well within the rover's range. Scientists think that the moon's south pole has a plethora of resources, such as water that could be used. The astronauts will look for these things and try to figure out just how to utilize them. Are you excited about NASA's mission? What are your thoughts about it? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Mr. Thinker. See you next time.